Technically comes to 10 episode na yun. So it's a milestone for us. Plus yung mga ano mo,
Yung mga pasingit-singit
mo, correct. So, anong ginidiscuss natin ngayon?
We're gonna recap the 18th race of the season, Singapore Grand Prix.
Yay! Ayan,
Night race.
may research na 18 na.
Yung lahat natin.
Correct. Hindi tayo nagbilang.
Yes, and welcome back to Jason Joy, JJ.
Hello, Kyle. We missed you last episode, I should say. Are you feeling better?
Yes, meron pa rin akong sakit today. But, you know, this is my favorite race. So,
There you go.
What do you like? What do you like about Singapore? Why is it your favorite?
usually maraming drama, maraming nangyayari. Favorite din niya ng Drive to Survive. to
Yeah, that's
Answer.
true.
So,
Like
at
what?
saka maraming mga out of the box na drama. Like,
Off
hindi niya, a few years ago, si Seb hindi niya.
Pinagbigan si Charles.
Pero,
Order.
so,
Hindi ka
nanalo siya.
That's true.
Yes. So,
Yun din yung may ano,
and
diba?
then yung nagkaroon ng panic attack si George. So,
Last year.
favorite ko ang Singapore.
So this is the only track
Mm-mm.
that Max has never won yet.
Ah, yes.
Alcadar. Oo. Kala ko nanalo.
Oh, you did?
Yes. He has never been on pole and has never won.
Oh, really?
In Singapore. His highest position was second.
Ah.
Yes, and this year again, he's second. But Singapore is like what we've discussed last time, is the most challenging race for the drivers because of the temperatures.
It is.
And this year, because of what they've learned from last year, they actually announced, the race director announced that there's a heat hazard. So, mga naka-vest.
Ano ba yung
Meron
mga ano,
Yes, and then the cars, also they have added some cooling systems.
Pero dahil mas magaan daw sila, kaya i-accommodate yun.
Correct.
Cute lang.
Yes. So, yes, Singapore, the most grueling race of the season, and they prepared for this. And this is the first Singapore race that no one DNF.
Oh, really? God.
So, including the route.
Praktisado siguro. Talagang pinapare.
Yes, the training, long-term training. So for anyone out there who thinks that F1 is not a real sport, you know,
You guys
you don't
are.
know how much training they have to do. They will lose around 3 to 4 kgs just in Singapore because of how hot it is.
Yeah.
But yes, that's Singapore. Yes.
For the race alone.
Yeah, for the race alone. So that's Singapore, but as a pattern, since we started from the summer break,
Yep.
qualifying is more exciting than the
Actual
actual
race.
race. Yes. But Singapore is like that. There's very less overtaking anyway. So it's a street circuit. But qualifying is really exciting, just like Monaco, because you know the walls are in close. Like if you don't if you just narrowly misjudge, then you're in
Walk
the
out.
wall. Yes, exactly. Qualifying was a surprise to see George
There you go.
on pole. Yes, I'm not a George fan, but I'll give it to
Thank you
him.
so much.
Hats off to George.
Yeah,
Out of nowhere.
naman si George.
Yes,
I think it is.
yes.
Dalawa.
He deserved it. Yes. Not his name is not in any of our
Exactly,
discussions.
correct.
Out of nowhere, he disrupted the McLaren versus Max
Max,
fight.
correct, yeah.
So he qualified on pole, and he did that twice.
Ano yung sabihin nun?
So he recorded the fastest
Ah, okay.
twice, and no one fit into it. Max came close, 0.07 seconds in the end, but it's still on George. So well done.
Well done, George.
The fact that he hit the wall during free practice, he didn't even do free practice too because his car is being fixed.
Yep.
And for him to put it on pole, that's really a huge effort
Yeah.
from him. And Kimi is fourth in qualifying.
Qualifying, yep.
Yes, Kimi is fourth, so that means Mercedes because usually they don't perform in hot conditions, but on the contrary, they actually perform
nasa
well
top 5,
here.
yes.
Exactly,
Both
exactly.
drivers.
Yes, Kimi was impressive as well. The fact that it's his first time in Singapore as a rookie as well.
First time yun.
Yes, so as a rookie, so it gives the confidence.
Correct.
So yun. So yeah, so that's qualifying. George is on pole.
Sino number 2
Max
si
is
Max?
second. So I was really, excited after that.
Yep.
Because it's, Max versus George in the front row.
Correct.
Oscar is on third.
4th is Kimi.
Fourth is Kimi, and Lando's only
5th. There you go.
So,
Tatanong.
yes, Lando's only fifth. So, at this point, Oscar is still ahead in the championship game. And then, Ferraris are in 6th and 7th.
Kailangan ko silang isingit.
This time, Hamilton out-qualified Leclerc.
Yeah.
Yes, very rare, but he did. He
Yeah.
out-qualified Leclerc. And then, Isaac Hadjar.
Yeah.
Bearman. So there's 3 rookies in top 10.
There you go.
And then Fernando Alonso, the 4th rookie.
The youngest
rookie. So that's qualified.
Di ba isa pa yung si Alex and Carlos?
Yeah, so after the qualifying session,
Okay.
devastating news. Both of their cars got disqualified.
Okay. Yep.
Because they didn't meet the DRS minimum gap. So yung flap ng DRS nila masyadong wide.
Okay.
So it's a technical infringement. Both of them got disqualified. So Carlos will start at the back of the grid,
Yep.
20th. And then
Alex.
Albon
Yep.
opted to start in the pit lane because they changed some of the car's parts.
Okay.
So yes, so that's
That's our qualifying.
That's the setup for the race. Yes, and then let's recap. So,
Yes. Okay.
So George won from pole
Mhm.
to winning it. So
Yep.
hats off to George. His Singapore curse is over.
Correct, exactly.
So he
Nakuha pa niya yung Grand Shelemen, whatever.
no, it was Hamilton who did the fast lap. Let me kwento
Yeah, go.
in sequence. So George won. He broke his curse. So it was 2023. He was supposed to be in the podium,
Yep.
and then he crashed. And then last year he was really unwell after the race. So this time, his celebration during qualifying was quite muted because he was nervous about the race. But after this, like he really deserved this win. So hats off to him. He was 5 seconds ahead of Max.
Oh, is that a good?
Yes, it was
Gap?
a decent
gap,
He
yeah.
wasn't pressured at all
Okay, yeah.
during the whole race. And then Max, I was so excited at the start because George started in medium tires and Max started on soft tires. So usually soft tires are faster. So
yeah.
Max wanted to overtake George in lap 1.
Yeah.
That's why he had the softer tires. But then he didn't have a good start. So he kept second. And then he all the way through all throughout the race he's managing some issues, downshift issues. He wasn't happy
Si
with
Max.
Max.
Yeah.
So it was still a good effort from him to defend the second position because Lando, this one,
Yeah.
before we discuss, Lando had a really good start. He managed to get 2 positions
Correct.
up front because he started 5th,
Fifth, yep.
but then he ended up
Third, yep.
And he was at one point so close to Max, but unfortunately couldn't overtake. But with him being in the podium means McLaren won the constructors
Okay,
championship. Yes. So so they win the constructors with 6 races
To
still
go,
remaining.
exactly,
So,
yeah.
Ba't wala tayong emotions? Wala tayong emotions.
kasi recap pa lang.
Hindi siya mukhang granted naman na McLaren will get it either way. So,
Alam naman na natin.
exactly, correct.
Yeah.
And for them to not get it in Singapore, the 2 McLaren boys would have DNF. Because it's either one of them will be in the podium or 2 of them in the top 7. So, yes. So
So
that's,
kung kahit kunwari yung dalawang driver is below top 5, they will still win the...
no, both of them should be top 7.
top 7. Yun nga, dapat within top 7. So, ayun, so...
But then they got it. They have
Exactly.
with 6 races remaining to go. Same, I think, with Red Bull during 2023.
I was about to ask that kung this is the first time na may
Team
constructor na nanalo na with 6 races to go.
So Red Bull had a very dominant 2023 year. So the same goes for McLaren this year. It's always 1-2, 1-2, right? So yes. So yes,
Back to back.
back to back. So that's George on
Po-
first, then Max,
podium.
then Lando. So those 3 are in the podium. Then Oscar is 4th.
Fourth, yep.
So
Asan si Kimi? Nawala bigla.
Kimi 5th. Charles is 6th. And then Lewis actually finished 7th.
Okay.
But he had a 5-second penalty due to track limits.
Yep.
So Fernando
Ibig
finished
sabihin ng track
7th.
limits.
He was cutting corners, so he's not keeping his car within the
oo.
white line.
Okay, yep.
Yeah, so
The
Fernando finished 7th ahead of him, and Lewis P8, and then we've got Behrman, Oliver Behrman on P9, and then Carlos managed to overtake Hadjar and get the final.
From 19,
From
naging
20.
from 20 naging ano?
So,
Ang ganda na
we'll discuss Carlos later. So so that's the quick race rundown. Now we go to the talking point.
Ano talking points mo?
So, you know how did Lando get to 3rd from 5th, right? So
It's just smart driving.
it's the lap 1 incident.
Smart driving.
Ayan na, nag-aanan sa start na ba? Anyway, so there was a lap 1 incident between Lando, Max, and Oscar actually.
Yep.
So Lando had a good start. Turn 2 to turn 3 basically. So maganda yung start ni Lando. But then, and then Oscar tried to cover for him, late braking, and then Lando almost actually hit Max's rear. And then kind of swerved into Oscar. Almost, got Oscar into the wall. Almost, but not.
But did not.
And then, of course, Oscar had to, brake a little bit so that he doesn't hit the wall. Then that's when Lando passed Oscar and take the 3rd position.
Okay.
So, that's the lap 1 incident. So, my reaction first before you guys fight it out. My reaction, you know how I always say, Lando, come on, be aggressive. This is for the champion. So when I watched that, because I watched it when they were showing it, it was first above view and then the side by side view. I was like, yes, finally, Lando is aggressive. And then Oscar came on the radio and said that wasn't very team-like, for sure. Parang, are we just okay for Lando to barge me out of the way? Parang barging me out of the way. It's not fair. Parang gano'n. Pero sabi nung in-investigate din ng stewards, that they said it's just lap 1 racing incident, no further investigation. And then, sabi ko naman, of course there's no further investigations between the 2 McLarens. But then, I was thinking, oh my goodness, will McLaren, manage this again and, swap them? Please don't swap! But yeah, but Oscar was very salty afterwards. Throughout the race, he was kind of feeling hardened.
Asim na.
So, I really, really appreciate Lando's move. It was feisty and aggressive. It was risky because he had a broken wing. It wasn't, when you watch it on the replay, from Lando's on board, it feels like it's wheel to wheel. It's just a kiss on the wheel.
Si Max
Lando tsaka
and
si
Oscar.
But he did hit Max. So Lando had a broken wing, but didn't affect his performance. But if you watch in Oscar's on board, naramdaman niya yun. Yung pag-hit ni Lando sa kanya, tsaka ang lapit niya sa wall. So, but for me, it's good racing. I want to see more of that.
I guess
McLaren boys. Okay now.
Hindi ko kasi, I mean, during that time, so namimili sila kung sino ang mas risky between those two, isn't it? Nababangga.
Hindi,
Ba yun?
nagre-race lang siya. Tapos ang sabi ng McLaren kay Oscar, we watched the replay. He had to evade Max kasi nga na-hit niya na si Max. Tapos sabi ni Oscar, if he had to avoid another car by doing that, hitting his teammate, that's not a very good
So, ang inaasim ni Oscar is, dahil na-avoid niya si Max, ako ang mababangga niya.
feeling ko, kung the way Oscar reacted, it's because of all of the other races previously. May pinaghuhugutan.
May pinaghuhugutan.
Combination na yun ng all ng team.
Pero if it's just that isolated
Dalawa
race,
naman, oo.
I don't think Oscar should react the way he reacted.
I rest my case.
This is my point of view.
I rest my case.
It's a lap 1 racing incident. Eh, kung hindi niya ka-team yun, ganun, parang yun din.
So, alam point ko kasi, I guess ang point ko is, kung gusto niya iwasan yung collision ni Max,
I think he is airing his thoughts over the radio because of all the McLaren decisions.
then yung ginawa lang ni Lando, I guess. I'm trying to assess kung ano yung decision ni Lando instead of
Gusto niya makauna.
Kay
He has to make a position. He's starting 5th.
kay Max o kay Lando.
Both,
Ay, kay
I guess.
Oscar.
Kasi sabay-sabay silang nag-start from the grid, di ba? So kung makakita ka ng gap na makakagain ka ng position, you do it. That's what Lando said.
Okay. Walang assessment kung sino ang mababangga niya doon or parang gano'n.
Ano mo na yun, nasa driver race awareness mo na yun.
Ayun nga.
Medyo may mali si Lando because he has caused 2 collisions. Right? So one to Max and then one to Oscar. Pero all of them, was fine after that. So it's a lap 1 racing incident. Parang gano'n. Si Oscar, feeling ko, kaya lang naman siya nagrereklamo. Kasi nga may pinaghuhugutan siya. So he's saying that, are you not even thinking about this? Is this fair? Because of, the papaya rules that they have. Like, I thought we shouldn't be hitting each other. But then Lando hit me. So what are you gonna do about it? So parang ganun yung dating.
Ikaw, Jay.
Thoughts? As an Oscar fan?
Kasi lapat, this always happens sa lapat. So, I don't have much feelings about it. It always happens. Parang, siguro na-irita lang si Oscar. Pero, towards the end of the race, irita talaga siya kasi kinlock off niya yung line, right? Nakita mo ba yun?
Para siyang...
And sasalita pa si Zach,
Si
pero
Zach
kinlock niya
Brown.
yung
Pero
radio.
before that, kinongratulate naman na ni Oscar yung team for winning
Oo.
the
I mean,
championship. Ganyan.
Speak polite, I guess.
Tapos nagsasalita pa si Zach. Pero feeling ko, ma-excuse pa din yan kasi pagod na pagod na sila. Kasi nag-park na siya. Gusto niya nang umalis sa cockpit kasi mainit. Umupo, mag-uminom ng tubig. Kahit laspag na laspag kaya sila kahit si George siya kasi lalo.
Mas mahirap yung kanya, nag-aasim pa siya the entire race. Mainit na ulo niya, mainit pa feelings niya.
Tapos parang sinasabi pa, focus na lang. Yung gano'n. Parang you still, But at the end, 3 points lang naman yung nawala. Yung nabawas na gap. Diba? But Max is still ahead of the 2 McLarens. So 3 points din. So parang from 69, 66 points. Tapos si Lando from 25, 22. So he's still leading. But because of the, some mind games. Yeah.
Exactly. Tsaka sabi mo nga, may pinanghuhugutan.
Because, naalala nyo, nung nag-recap tayo, Austria, yung nagpo-full send si Oscar kay Lando, hinahabol niya si Lando. Tapos, they will go on the radio, that's not how we do racing. Yung mga reminders na gano'n. Tapos, Canada, yung nag-crash si Lando kasi na-misjudge daw niya yung gap, diba? Tapos, hindi naman siya pinagalitan ng McLaren. Pero pag si Oscar yung gumagawa, parang pinapagalitan daw siya ng McLaren. Which, now I agree, in hindsight, na parang, nga no. Parang gano'n. Pero,
Anong position ng McLaren dun sa...
sabi ni Zach, we've got 2 good drivers and we let them race clean and hard. So it's hard racing. Ayan. Ito meron siyang ano yan. Meron siyang opinion dyan.
Favorite naman talaga siya.
Favorite naman talaga. Hindi ko naman nililinaw yun.
Hindi yun, ano. Halata ng golden child naman talaga nila si Lando.
That's true.
Maybe, okay, sige.
Bakit din
gusto
sila
nila
nandun sa kanila?
Correct.
Some extent na 5% they would favor him.
Yes, but I don't think that they will to the point na to manipulate it just so Lando will win.
Oo,
I
kaya
think
i-compromise yung championship ni Oscar.
I think the intention was really good from them to race them fair.
Yeah.
It's just that they overly manage the previous races. Like they could have just let them really race it out. Whatever happens, whether it's a slow pit stop. Speaking of slow pit stop, something is not right with McLaren.
Ano ba? 5 seconds or something.
Kasi, tinanong na naman si Lando nung race engineer niya, "Hey Lando, are you willing for Oscar to pit first to defend from Leclerc?" Si Leclerc na naman yung di ba ganun-ganun din yung Monza. Tapos kinakabahan na ako kasi sagot ni Lando, parang gano'n. Tapos parang, siguro naalala niya yung nangyari. No, actually. Sabi niya gano'n. So, siya na yung unang mag-pit. Ang bilis ng pit stop niya. Tapos nung si Oscar na, 5.2 seconds. Sabi ko, ano nangyayari? Parang ba't gano'n? Parang they can't do pit stop.
Something is being cooked.
Parang pinasa ko.
Ano tawag dito? Tumatira si Yuri mo na naman yan.
No, because it happens to both of them now. I think it's something's not right when it's
Ano na lang ba?
pit stop.
Nangyari na yung kay Lando, nangyari na kay Oscar. Fair na. Ikita natin. Parang gano'n.
Pero ang basa ko, something
Eksakto yung 5.2 din yata.
something to do with their equipment. Parang gano'n. Siguro pagkatapos mong gamitin sa isa, kailangan ng warm-up bago yung isa.
Constructor championship, pero hindi lang ako nataman yung
Yung pit stop. Pero pag back-to-back naman, yun yung nangyayari. Oo. So, luckily, he didn't lose
Pero kasi na 9 seconds ba?
That's Fernando Alonso. Magkasunod!
Okay.
So, parang nagre-react pa ako sa pit stop ni Oscar. Tapos parang, okay, he hasn't lost any position. Tapos parang biglang pinakita, ano nangyayari kay Aston Martin? From P9, naging P14 siya.
Malamang.
Alonso. Pero he still made it through the top 10. So yun, okay. I was expecting some fireworks between you guys.
Alam mo kung saan na bago? Yung point of view mo kasi na
It was a racing incident now.
Tsaka yung parang nag-aasim na lang si
Yeah, which to be fair to Oscar, valid yung
Valid na.
Hindi ko naman
It was valid.
Ang point of view ko naman is yung mismo actual race lang.
Yes. So the race itself, it's a good move. I was hoping, I was waiting for that.
Hindi ba ka-move on si Oscar? Well, every race is laying out na lang niya yung past events.
No, because Oscar,
Yun yung interpretation ni Tessa na culmination na yun ng mga past races nila. Pero hindi naman yan bringing out.
Hindi naman bringing out verbally, pero at the back of his mind, nandun yun.
Totoo naman. Because he is playing by the rules. Well, yun yung sabi niya sa Monza. I thought slow pit stop is part of racing, but if you want me to let him pass, then I will do it. Parang ganun, di ba? So he's playing by the rules. And this time, he wants McLaren to, execute the rules. Because he thought that that's the rules. Like, you're not supposed to hit your teammate, but he hit me. So what are you gonna do about it? For me, this is something positive. Because I'm excited now for the next 6 races. This gloves will be off. Parang kung ako si
Feeling ko, baka gano'n na nga. Gano'n yung pinapakita ng reaction ng manager niya eh.
Si Weber.
Oo.
Si Weber kasi may ano yun from
Pinabuhugas, may pinabuhugas.
from past experience sa Red Bull. Kasi si Vettel yung ka-team niya noon eh. Tapos siya yung number 2. So, talagang ang advice niya kay Oscars, you don't settle for number 2, diba? Pero kung ako kay Oscar, kasi nga, favorite boy si Lando. But he can win this on his own merit.
Si Oscar.
Right? And Lando too. So just let these papaya rules fade away. No such rules anymore. They win the constructors.
Exactly.
And then just, fight it out in the track. Yes.
Fight it out.
Agree.
Si Oscar, paano yun?
I mean, it's up to him how he would control his emotions, right?
Exactly.
So, kung magbanggaan silang dalawa, then Max is there.
Works for me!
Alam mo yun? Yung parang, wag na
Ganun na lang yung ganun na lang yung Red Bull. Hayaan niyo sila.
just watch them from behind. Diba? Pero, yun yung hope ko na sana hindi na i-overly manage ni McLaren. Parang, you can see from both of them that they respect each other naman.
At saka for F1 fans, hayaan na nilang mag-ano.
Exactly! Like, every man for himself.
Kumbaga,
Every driver for himself.
Mga press con, wala nagtanong kay Zach Brown what's their plan now after winning the
May
constructor.
tinanong si Andrea Stella. Ang sabi niya, we're not changing anything.
Interesting.
They might not be changing anything, but something has changed in Oscar.
Sa mga drivers, correct.
So, we'll see.
We'll just have to wait and see.
Correct, exactly. Kasi may chance pa ba sila nung...
Oh,
okay.
it's just 22 points.
Pag kumari yung next game is 25 yun pag
It's a 7-point gap between first and second. So it's 25 and 18. Diba?
Naku!
And it's a sprint race coming up. So that's another 8 points up on the ground. Like up on the...
Okay. On top of nung actual race na.
Yes.
Sabi ko naman yun. Charot.
It's a sprint race, yes. So that's
Speaking of next race, saan ang next race?
Wait.
Ano ba ba?
Honorable mentions. Para tayong yung TV direction nung race puro lang si Oscar, si Lando at si Red Bull lang yung pinakita.
So, yung pinag-uusapan natin nangyari lang sa lap 1.
But basically, that's it.
Exactly.
No, lap 1 nangyari, pero hanggang lap 7, nagdidiskusyonan sila. Kung nagre-reklamo si Oscar.
So, honorable mentions?
So, honorable mention is Carlos. Nabanggit mo kanina, di ba?
Ay, from 20 to 10.
20th to 10. So, how did he do it? So, managed to stay on his medium tires until lap 50. Yung tire management niya was on point. So, yes. Tapos, it's a good strategy because if there happen to be a safety car, then free pit stop yun, diba? And he's secured the track position. Kasi up to lap 50, dahil marami na nga nag-pit before him, he was P9. Yes, P9. So, pero walang lap 50 na eh. 12 laps to go na lang, kailangan niya na talagang mag-pit. So, he pit, nag-teamwork na naman sila. Ni Alex. So, Alex was behind him. Alex was holding down the fort, leading the DRS trains of cars behind him. So, para makapit si Carlos. So, he was P9, then he pitted, he was P15. So, not too bad. But he pitted for soft tire. So, it's a faster tire with 12 laps to go. And in 8 laps, he overtook 5 cars to get to P10. Which wasn't shown, by the way, in the TV. So I was, half asleep.
Parang ano lang din yan, so pero yung madrama ang feature natin, yung mga usapan sa
Alam mo yung laging, mauunahan ba ni Lando si Max? Kasi nakakatulog na akong gano'n. Tapos yung pala may aksyong nangyayari. But yes, so that's the honorable mention. So Carlos, ando pa rin yung sparkles.
Ay,
Stickers sa helmet niya. So, it's the power is still there. And then, Bearman in top 10 as well. So, P9. That's Singapore, done and dusted. Oscar still leading the Drivers' Championship by 22 points ahead of Lando. And then Max on third. 63 points behind Oscar, 41 points behind Lando. Sa team, nanalo na nga si McLaren. Mercedes is ahead of Ferrari by 27 points.
Pwede ba silang mag...
Of course, I still trust in Ferrari, guys. Ferrari yung Mercedes and
Ferrari.
Medyo Ferrari has had a difficult weekend. Sobrang frustrated ni Charles because he had to lift and coast for most of the race. Kasi yung...
Lift and what?
Lift and coast. So, kapag nagda-drive ka, yung hindi mo masyado pipindutin yung brakes. Kasi braking is their tool. Right? So the hardest you brake, the latest you brake, you parang generate speed down, something like that. So, but he has to be softer on his brakes kasi nag-overheat yung brakes niya.
Okay.
Si Hamilton, actually Hamilton got the fastest lap because he changed to soft tires. And he was actually, they swapped position between Charles and Hamilton so that Hamilton can get past Kimi. This Ferrari needs to get past another Mercedes to gain points off them, right, for the team. But he was close, and then his brakes failed. He has no more brakes. Overheat. So, overheat yung brakes niya. So, ayun, he was cutting corners.
Di ba yun? Di ba unsafe?
That's the Alonso's point. Because Alonso, he was actually like 14 seconds behind Hamilton.
Kailangan mo yung car na yun?
Sabi ni Alonso sa radyo, I can't believe it. Parang mga 10 beses na I can't believe it. Parang, isn't it not safe for him to have no brakes? Parang dapat siya disqualified, ganun. Pero, Hamilton managed to, finish the race.
Without brakes.
Yes.
He
was
an 8-time champion for nothing.
8? Sinabi mo 8? 8?
Actually,
7! Controversial.
Controversial.
So, next
There
race.
you go.
Where's the next race?
We're gonna go to Texas.
Sa US.
I miss Daniel.
Ricardo.
Bakit?
Usually siya yung yung favorite niya to, yung Texas.
Di ba base siya doon at some point?
Based siya sa LA.
LA ba?
Pero favorite
Halun.
favorite niya yung Texas race, yun he goes cowboy mode sa So parang ngayon, it's not as fun without Daniel being there. But yes, we're heading to the Circuit of the Americas. We have a sprint.
Okay.
A sprint and then the actual race.
Sino nanalo last year?
Prepared ako, girl. Last
I hope
year,
so.
sa sprint, it was Max, Carlos, Lando. And then the actual race, it was Charles and Carlos. It was a Ferrari one last year. And then Max. So I have hope.
Walang McLaren doon sa ano?
So, Lando and Oscar.
Sa sprint.
Sa race.
Sa race.
4th and 5th.
Yun nga, yung top 3 walang McLaren.
Walang McLaren. Because Ferrari 1, 2, and then Max. But then, we'll see. Oh, okay.
Maganda ba yung ano, hindi to, may sarili
Hindi
circuit
siya,
ito.
yes. It's a proper racetrack. With overtaking. Bets. Time for bets.
Therefore,
Ikaw na.
Oscar all the way.
hanggang tumama yung bet mo.
Top 3, 1, 2, 3.
Oh, who's your top 3?
Max.
Oscar,
Lando.
Max, Lando. Okay. Oscar, Max, Lando ka.
Okay, ikaw yung JM.
Ako? I'm gonna go Max, Charles, Oscar.
Oh my God.
Pasok lang talaga si Charles, no?
Realista talaga siya.
Fingers crossed!
Sino yung sprint last year?
Sprint was Max, Carlos, Lando, Charles. Yun yung top 4.
Max, Oscar, Lando, Charles.
Last year?
Oo.
Sa sprint?
Sa
Max,
sprint.
Carlos.
Max, Carlos.
Carlos was
Sa actual race.
Actual race, Charles, Carlos, Max, Lando,
Max.
Oscar.
Oh, sige, Ben.
Oh, ikaw?
Max,
Bella.
Lando.
Max.
May singit lang talaga si Lando. Tsaka yung si Carlos noon, Ferrari pa siya.
Ferrari pa siya.
Ay, ito yung star. Nakakaloka.
Ano?
Ayaw na talaga ilagay
Si Ben, ayaw niya lagay si Oscar.
Wala siya dyan. Meron siya meron sa sprint lang, no?
No.
Wala siya.
Wala
din sa sprint, di ba?
Wala rin siya sa race. It was a different Oscar last year though.
Yun nga, di ba? Pero gusto ko na si Carlos kasi got both sprint at saka ano.
But Carlos was in a Ferrari
Yun nga.
last year.
Max, Lando.
Hindi siya makadecide.
Who's
George.
George! Ah, that's good.
Nag-aaral ko
I mean,
talaga.
Ferraris, Mercedes is on the rise.
Ito nilagay si Oscar.
So, JJ.
Si JJ is Oscar, Max, Lando.
Oscar, Max, Lando.
Ikaw is Max, I'll send it to you.
Max, Charles,
Oscar. Ben is Max, Lando, George. Kasi si George, feeling ko may ano siya, may yung hype, yung may
Yung yung rhythm, yung
Oo, yun, correct. Yung
And
Pero
they're on
hindi
the
naman
rise.
yun.
Because I think Mercedes and Red Bull still had upgrades, so they introduced a new front wing, and that's why I think they
There you
are
go.
gaining performance. So, but I just, umaasa pa rin ako sa Ferrari. Believe!
Oh, that's it, guys, for
Guys, that's our
fifth episode, our
race
Singapore recap.
Singapore. See you again next time.
Next time for the,
Next race.
Kota. It's a double header.
Ano ba
Kota,
yun?
US and then Mexico.
Mexico!